Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's update our view on euro currency. So, based on the trading plan that we have prepared in the weekend, we can't say that it totally has failed, but at the same time, the performance on euro currency hasn't quite reached the target that we would like to see. And as a result, we've got the upper direction that we have planned, but target still stands untouched. But all in all, overall performance here is not very impressive. So we could see that it's relatively tight, slow, so it's not really something that actually inspiring, is taking some big positions and so on. So what currently actually is going on? So if we take a look at the other markets, in particular speaking on the dollar index, here is the target has been completed last week. The same ABCD that we have on the euro. On the Great British Pound, this target also has been completed. So in fact, the hand shoulders that we was discussing here now has been completed. So it has reached necessary major target. It doesn't mean that it can't go further to the XOP, for instance. But for now, this setup that we have in the shape of the hand shoulders mostly is done. But on the euro currency, if you take a look, we haven't got the target yet. So here's was great start. Our grabber that we discussed on weekend has worked nice because it taken out with the top, and the general entry was perfect. But with this upward action, market has failed to reach 105.65 area. In fact, instead we've got wash and rinse of the previous top. So this is, you could make this conclusion based on the action that we have on the top. So it's moving slightly above this area and then fast return. As a result, we've got here evening star pattern, or you could treat it as engulfing, doesn't matter. So they work approximately absolutely similar. And when you have this pattern in place, despite that you have this target untouched, actually that you have this performance on the 10-year bonds, consider it's dropping with acceleration aiming on the 4.25. All the stuff supports euro, but it say makes dollar weaker. And with this background, it is logical, reasonable to suggest that probably market should try to challenge this top once again. So maybe to complete this target, I mean, even maybe to keep going higher. But at the current moment, when you have this engulfing in place, it's not really comfortable psychologically to go against it, trying to buy when you have this passion in place. So it means that currently we have to wait, as I think, there's two moments. Either the failure of this engulfing would potentially could take the shape of the hand shoulders here, or to wait when it will be completed. Supposedly, it might be somewhere around, it's based on this hand shoulders, somewhere around 104.20 area. So it will be minimum target that market could reach. And in fact, if you take a look at the 4 time frame chart, this might be, well, some kind of the minor guardless triple 2 buy patch, something like this, when the hand shoulders will be completed. Other words speaking, chances that market will keep going higher and just break this pattern and keep going and move above this area exist. So we should wait for, as I said, either the failure of this pattern market returning back to the top or its completion around 104.20 for position taking. But for now, when you still have it in this place, it's not very comfortable to argue against it, and I'm not sure that this is a really proper solution in the current moment. So, as a bottom line, overall context remains bullish on the daily chart as well, so trend stands bullish, but recent performance and existence of this pattern tells that retracement may be a bit deeper. So this pattern might be completed. And as a conclusion, we keep bullish context and bullish strategy, but we need to wait when the situation of this patient will be resolved. Either it will be completed and we will consider position taken around 104.20 if it will be a really gradual action, or if this pattern will start to fail and market start moving above 105 area, then probably we could return back to the idea of the possible taking one position again. So that in two words what we have currently on the euro.